Hi, whether you or someone you know has a tax problem, dealing with the IRS is never easy. In an effort to help, I have created this short guide to assist people who are dealing with IRS problems. My name is Stephen Leahy. I am a licensed attorney in the state of Illinois, and I have been practicing law for over 9 years. In my own practice, I have seen firsthand the fear that people can experience when they are dealing with the IRS. Some people have even lost everything: their businesses, their homes, and sometimes their families. But it doesn't have to be that way. The worst part about IRS problems is not knowing what the IRS is going to do to you or your business. That's why I choose to try and help people with IRS problems. First off, if you do have an IRS problem and you feel really confused by it, it's not your fault. The federal tax code is so complicated that it's difficult for anyone to understand it, including the IRS. If you have a tax problem, there are 3 things you should know before you speak to anyone at the IRS. First, never voluntarily tell an IRS employee anything unless they have specifically asked you for the information. This tip is extremely important for you to understand. Only provide the IRS the information they ask for and nothing more. And be careful. The IRS counts on taxpayers giving up too much information. So don't become friendly with an IRS employee or offer more information than is necessary. And remember, not everything is necessary. You should also know that you have the right to say nothing to the IRS. You can have an attorney talk to them instead. So don't be afraid to stop talking and stop providing information to the IRS at any time. If you are concerned or scared, just let them know that you want to hire an attorney. Politely refuse to answer any more questions or to provide any more information until after you have met with a legal professional. Secondly, never tell the IRS something that you know is not true. Lying to an employee of the IRS is against the law. If the IRS catches you in a lie, you may be charged with perjury. And if you think the IRS won't find out, think again. You're taking a chance with your freedom. And third, you should never answer any question from an IRS employee unless you understand it completely. If you are not absolutely sure about how to answer their questions, you should let them know that you don't know or can't recall or you're not sure. This is important because down the road, the IRS will not be willing to negotiate or discuss forgiving any taxes, penalties, or interest that you owe if they believe that you haven't been completely upfront with them. As you can see, IRS problems are a serious business and they need serious attention. To help you or someone you know, I offer a free initial consultation to anyone with an IRS problem. It could be a personal problem or a business problem. This consultation will be with me in my office, and it will be completely confidential. We'll talk about your particular situation in detail. Then we'll discuss possible solutions to your IRS problem, so you can stop worrying about the unknown. All you need to do is call my office at 866-664-6647 to schedule an appointment. There is absolutely no obligation to you for anything. But by calling, you'll actually be taking the first step toward ending your IRS problem. Thank you, and best of luck.